Hi, Kevin from Momentum Performance Coaching. I think you'll agree that it's fair to say that as a result of the restrictions over this last extraordinary year, shopping online is now a consistent habit for many of your customers. And as a result of that new habit, fairly or unfairly, people will judge the service that you provide against a benchmark set by companies like Amazon. It's often said that the high street is dying because of online retailers. What's often omitted though is the fact that some online retailers have an absolute obsession with providing a level of customer service that ensures the whole experience is so much more convenient and gratifying for their customers. And I'm sure you'll agree that apart from a few exceptions, our high street hasn't invested the same level of attention to the customer experience that the online retailers provide. And that points us all in the direction of a fabulous opportunity that you as a business owner might like to consider as we come out of lockdown. Because a truly great way to get ahead of your competition is to outserve them. And COVID has provided us with that once in a lifetime opportunity to reset and reverse the trend for very basic customer service, the customer service to which we become accustomed. And for you instead to create a point of difference in your marketplace by delivering outstanding customer service. And the added bonus for you as a business owner is that's a far more economical way for you to grow your business. And to help you with that, we've created something a little bit special. A 3-part webinar series in which we'll be sharing with you strategies, frameworks, tools, ideas and training based on our 22-year career in the hospitality industry. And you'll be leaving armed with everything you need to implement alongside your team so that you can build and create an outstanding customer service experience for all your customers. And that's what we're all looking to do, isn't it? So, if you'd like to provide an outstanding customer service experience for your customers, and why wouldn't you, you can secure your place or places using the link in the comments below. Now, if you prefer to really get ahead of your competition and would like a more tailored approach, you can talk to me directly by booking yourself a complimentary 30-minute discovery call via the calendar link in the comments below. I look forward to talking to you soon. Until then, stay well and keep safe.